Warm greetings to everyone present here. I am Shashwat Pandey from grade 9A2 here in front of all of you to deliver a short presentation about the topic our educational excursion to science section of Chhauni Museum. Let me begin with a question. What really is an educational excursion? Is it just a school trip outside school? Probably not. It's a chance for us to learn many new things, observe new ideas, learn theories practically, visually, and memorize theories more frequently and nicely. So let's begin. Everyone gathered in the main ground to get the worksheet by our teachers and board the bus which took us to the Chhauni Museum. Over there we saw a IT section of science, a pedestrian crossing system implemented by Kathmandu metropolitan city, in which we should press a button to change the traffic signal which stops all the car coming from the opposite side, which reduces the chances of accident over that area. After that we explored the museum. In the museum we saw many exhibits such as preserved birds, different specimens of mammals. We even saw a real bone of whale which was preserved very nicely. After that, we wrote all of our observation in our worksheet, submitted to our respective teachers, and this also helped us to increase our theory and increase our practical learning. In conclusion, I would like to say that Chhauni Museum is a very nice museum where you can learn different kind of activities, where you can do different kind of activities. We can see ancient things such as ancient cannons, ancient telephones, etc. I recommend you all to visit Chhauni Museum once and see everything, observe nicely, and make a report for your studies to boost. Thank you.